Jesus freak here. Now, I know I've mentioned this at least once, and commenter brought this to my attention that there was a small glitch, I guess, in this particular edition of the Bible. Now, both of these Bibles are based on the Cambridge Cameo Text block, which is to say it's a cameo without the references. The black one is a CBP Pew Bible and is the regular size print Cameo Text. This blue one is a large print edition, the same text block. Now I'm going to show you what I was referring to, and I mentioned it in one of the comments. And this issue affects both the local church Bible publishers and church Bible publishers' version of this text block. Okay, we're looking at page 497 of the Old Testament, since it has separate numbering for the Testaments. Okay, where was... It's on this page. There it is. See something a little strange on verse 28 here? See the word into about where my finger is? This is 1 Kings 14:28. And as you may have noticed, the font's wrong. It's Helvetica instead of the proper Petit Clarendon Medieval. Now, there's still obviously a patch here. Look at verse 28 here, and even though the camera isn't focusing very well, you can probably notice that the IN of into is slightly out of alignment. Actually, it's also just a hair sharper, I think, than the rest of the text. But you really have to look to see that something's even a little bit off on the Cambridge print, where with the local church and the church print, it really jumps out at your eye. I just thought I'd mention this. It's nothing particularly important. The actual word is correct, regardless of if it's in the wrong font. But I figured to just make sure to clear things up. What I was talking about. Jesus freak out.